This is my 2011 Volkswagen Golf GTI that I'm stupid enough to build on a really small budget, and this so far is the outcome. We put a Golf R front bumper on it, which came with all the trims and the fog lights, which was absolutely perfect. We put a TRC front splitter on, we put brand new wheels on, and we've got side skirts with the side skirt extensions. On the back, we have a spoiler, we have a lower diffuser. We wrapped this terribly in gloss black, and we put rear spats on the bumper as well. We also added some performance mods as well. We put a brand new gravity exhaust on there, a set of Stance Plus coilovers, and a K-brace in the back for that extra bit of stiffness around the corners. We also did engine mods. We've got a ram air cold air induction kit, and we've done plenty of stuff to fix the car along the way because there's been issues on the rear and on the front. And everything we've done added up cost just under £3,000, leaving us with around £1,100 to finish off the build. But today, after everything we've done to this car already, is the biggest change we're making to date, and it's wrapping this car. I've already chose the colour. We are here right now at the place it's getting wrapped at. We're going to speak to the guy in a second, but this car is not going to be black anyway. Well, underneath, but for the video, it's not going to be black. It's going to be the colour that I'm going to tell you in a minute. I'm going to tell you just yet. But this is how it's going to look for the last time. And I think we've done I quite like it in black. I mean, it does look really good in black with the chrome and all the nice little touches. But I think to finish off a build nicely, it needs to be wrapped or colour changed or whatever. So let's go speak to the guy who's going to wrap it now and just take it in one last time. So guys, this is Ollie. He's going to be the one that's going to be wrapping the car.
So yeah, my name's Ollie. Started vinyl wrapping about, what, six and a half years ago now. Wrap Capital, born and bred, you know, started there. He took me on.
So you just started randomly?
Yeah, started randomly. Lost my job at a place called Flybe as an aircraft tech.
That's a bit of a jump.
Yeah, a little bit.
It's a bit random, isn't it?
Decided quite like, you know, the idea of wrapping. Yeah. Wrapped my car in my driveway, got noticed. Here we are today.
And this is his car, by the way. This is what he's wrapped.
A little bit different.
It's cool.
But, you know.
It's a Peugeot. I'm not going to say a lot about Peugeot. So, we're going to get the car in the shop. We need to get it stripped. We need to get everything off this car before we do anything. So, bumpers, side skirts, spoilers, everything's got to come off so it's easier to wrap. Obviously, making your life a little bit easier because it's hard enough as it is. I won't be able to do it. If you guys do need any wrap work done, just come down. Where are you? South, right at the bottom, down.
Right at the bottom.
Right in the corner
right
of
in
the
corner.
country.
A little town called Dawlish, just outside of Exeter.
Yeah, if you're in the south of the country and you need a car wrapped, come here because he's going to be showcasing how good his work is on this heap of turd. So let's get it in the shop, let's get it stripped. Oh, we've got no jacks, so this could be...
Have we?
Look
at that, look.
It's got a low line as well, it's got the expensive one. I could never afford that one. We're going to time it. How long do you reckon it'll take us to get everything off this car ready? What are you saying? How long? What are you taking off? Leaving the rear bumper on.
Leave the rear bumper on, so front bumper, headlights.
Headlights?
Yeah.
What do you need the headlights out for?
If we're taking the bumper off, might as well take the headlights out.
Yeah, you're confused. Not convenient.
Anyway, front bumper, headlights, window trims, door trims, wing mirrors, door handles, side skirts, spoiler.
10 minutes. I'm saying 27 minutes, done.
Get a timer going.
And this is the colour we're wrapping it in. Avalon Teal it's called, and to our knowledge, this colour hasn't been used once in the UK yet, so you're seeing it here for the first time. And there were so many colours to choose from, but I think we made the right choice, and the colour is from Tech Wrap, one of the highest gloss level brands out there.
Can you just grab that?
So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to get the bumper off. Now this is easy, they're just full of 20 talks. You already know how to get these off at this point. Then we can go onto the doors and take all the mirrors and all the handles out.
That's a creative angle.
It won't come out.
Can I have a light, please?
Please, sir. And even Ollie's getting involved, he's taking the aerial out and he's taking the backlights out as well, which is a massive help.
Hey, what was that?
Fucking wood screws.
Yeah. Is that how big?
And now with the whole car stripped, this car is now ready for wrap and I'm really excited. So let's start laying some vinyl down.
End of day one, it's 1:30 in the morning. Bonnet, roof, both front wings, spoiler, boot, and the passenger door handles. Both sides to do tomorrow, and the bumpers. Haven't done too bad.
Now before we see the final product, I want to say thank you to everyone who's watching at the minute. I really enjoy doing these builds, and to finish this build off with such a cool looking wrap is a massive achievement. So if you are enjoying these videos, make sure you hit that subscribe button because we are on our way to 50,000 subscribers and I need your guys' help to get there. So if you are enjoying it, hit that subscribe button and even like the video and drop a comment on what you think I should be buying next.
Alex dropped his car off and went, got a new bumper, had it fully resprayed. What's this? Day two, car's complete. Managed to get it done Saturday evening. It's currently 10 past 9. 10 past 9? 10 past 12. Oof. Good night.
Are you ready to collect a wrapped car? Right, en route now. Monster got Zach is excited as always. Can't wait to see the car in this weather. Oh my god, it's gonna look so good. Best drink on the planet, by the way. Hopefully it looks good. I'm really excited to see it, and I think honestly, he sent me videos of it in black and white, and it looks majorly glossy. So
already see how glossy it looks.
in the sun, this should pop massively. So we've got another hour and 10 till we get there. So what we're going to do, I'm not going to keep you guys waiting. We're literally going to get there. Zach's going to go in there and we're going to get the shutters up and do a big reveal. I don't want to be waiting any longer than you guys do.
This is Zach cam now. We're now walking in. Alex is waiting over there. You get my reaction, then we'll get Alex round. How's it going? What do you think of the colour? Like, I won't get the colour yet. Oh, it does look so nice. That looks so good.
How does it look? You've seen it? What does it look like?
I've seen
Tell
it.
me. What do you think? Is it a good colour combo? I'm ready. Sure. 100%. Oh my god. That looks insane. I'm so glad we went that. That looks
It looks
so
really
good. Ollie, man, that looks unreal.
How much more you notice the exhaust tips as well?
I'm so happy with that colour.
What do you think?
Unbelievable.
Good choice.
Yeah.
You know what I was saying as well, with the door shuts, because your car was already black, it looks so nice with the black door shuts.
Obviously, we didn't do door shuts, did we?
It's nice though, because you got the black splitters as well.
Yeah, so you never need to do door shuts when you've got a black car. It's so much better.
Plateless as well at the rear.
I can't believe that.
It's good there, like the wheel colour.
It's so good. I love this as well. And this. I did not expect that. I was like, you know what, that looks good as well. I can't believe how good that looks. And he did it in what, 2 days? Day and a half.
Lost for words.
I've never wrapped a car, so I've only ever painted a car like terribly. Yeah, it was painted. I've never wrapped a car.
He left it in primer. Son. Yeah, it looks so much nicer outside.
That looks so good. Honestly, thank you so much. That looks so good.
12 last night.
So 1:30 on Friday, 12:30 Saturday.
Yeah.
What time did you get in this morning to finish it?
What time did you come in? 10.
You only had a few bits to do.
Just little bits and put it back together, yeah.
He was teasing me the entire time. He was sending me pictures. They were all in black and white. Videos walking around black and white so I couldn't see it. Teasing me the whole time. Never seen anything in this colour as well, so it makes it even better.
We were saying this, yeah.
Anyway, I haven't seen anything yet.
So, I hope you guys do enjoy this colour because in the sun, this looks unbelievable. Like, absolutely glossy. He said it's the glossiest wrap in today's market you can buy is tech wrap, which is essentially the same as Inositech, is it?
Inositech, yeah, just
so,
without the premium price.
Yeah, so
Yeah.
tech wrap is the one. Take it from me. This looks so glossy. There's literally no orange peel as well. It looks better than paint. We showcase his work on this car and it looks incredible. There's literally not a single imperfection on it. So I am very happy. And he's done it in 2 days. I mean, you've rushed it. Don't expect it done in 2 days because he stayed till 1:30 on the night. Don't expect it to be done in 2 days.
I'm definitely not doing that again.
I'm extremely happy. Thank you, honestly, so much. It
No
looks
worries.
so good. So there we have it, people. The car is essentially finished. There's not much more we can do to it now. I do kind of want to tune it, so that is for another video, but we have a very funny special video for the following week. Put it in the comments. Do you think I made the right choice with this colour? I think I do, but I do want to hear your guys' opinion. And if you've been on my Instagram recently, you'll see I've been doing polls on my story about another car that I'm buying. Now, if you want to get involved in the voting of the choice of that car, head over to my Instagram now. It'll be on my story. I'm leaning more towards a VAG again. So check out my story and you'll see what we're going to buy. So I hope you guys did enjoy this video. Stay tuned for more videos like this and I'll see you all in the next one. Peace.